That came up at a good time. Right, so questions. So I'm going to go through these 3 questions in this one video because they're fairly small, so they should be quite quick. Right, so Hamid goes out for the day, sets off from his house at 4:10 p.m. He gets back to his house at 10:30 p.m. So how long was he out of his house for? So let's have a look. Right, so the way I look at this is I think, right, if it starts off at 4:10, so 4:10, to get to 5 o'clock, or 5 p.m, alright, and then that's plus 50 minutes. And then you're going from 5, and I'll just keep it whole, so I'll go to 10. So then that's plus 10 hours. No, it's not, it's plus 5 hours even. So I've gone from 5 to 10, so 5 hours. Alright, and then you go to 10:30, so it's plus another 30 minutes. So I'm breaking it up bit by bit and working out, you know, look at a clock of our hands if you like, so there's an extra 30 minutes there. So what we've got then is 5 hours plus 30 minutes, so 5.5 hours plus 50 minutes. So if we add 30 minutes to 50 minutes, what we've got is 1 hour 20, so we've got 6 hours and 20 minutes. So we've just broken it up, we've done it one step at a time. Right, so Sarah, she buys 3 packs of crisps for £2.55 and a loaf of bread for £1.75 and a bottle of Coke for £1.30. She pays with £10, how much change does she get? Right, so she buys 3 packs of crisps, so that's important, 3 of those, a loaf of bread for £1.75 and a bottle of Coke for that. So what we've got to do first of all then is work out the total of what she would have paid. So we'll do 3 times £2.25, or £2.55 even, I can't read. So that's £7.65. And then add the £1.75, well, we'll just put it there, plus £1.75, or £1.75 should I say, and also £1.30 as well. That goes to £10.70. Alright, maybe I should have checked these questions before I started doing them. So how much change does she get out of a £10 note? None. Maybe it's a trick question. She doesn't get any change because she still owes 70p. So she needs to add an additional 70p to it. So I don't know, what do you put that down to? Do you put that down to my error for making the question like that, or it's just one of those questions that are there to trick you? I think it's one of those that are there to trick you. Yeah, that's what it is. So she doesn't get any change because she still owes 70p. Sarah, the little cheapskate, trying to get away with it. So question 3. David is wanting to go with his partner and 3 children to the theme park. He sees these prices outside the park. So work out how much it would cost to the whole family. So he's got 3 kids. Look at him, and he's going with his partner. So that's going to be David plus partner. So that's going to be 2 adults. So times that by 2. And then the children, he's got 3 of them. So times that by 3. And then our total would be those 2 there added together. So we've got £59 for those 2. And then the 3 children gives us £36.75 altogether. And our total then would be those 2 added together. So add them together and we get £95.75.